How to public your Facebook posts. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. Now you have to make sure that your profile is not locked first. For that, tap on your profile and tap on 3 dots on the right hand side of Edit Profile. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on Unlock Profile just below View As. Tap on Unlock. Tap on Unlock Your Profile in the bottom. Now you want to go ahead and tap on OK. Now you want to go ahead and go to your home and start a new post. Tap on plus sign that is on the top right corner, then tap on Post. Just below your name you can see Friends. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Now put this in public. Now whatever you post on Facebook, it will become public post. And that is how you can post publicly on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.